We are now focusing on the second type of teacher timetables, produced by Timetables app, which is the Composite teacher timetable. We will also notice the striking similarities between a composite class timetable and a composite teacher timetable. Whereas the composite class timetable presents all lessons that take place in all classes across the school, the composite teacher timetable presents all teachers that teach those lessons in all classes across the school. Whereas the composite class timetable shows what happens in all classes across the school in a week, the composite teacher timetable shows all teachers that teach lessons in all those classes across the school in a week. Whereas the composite class timetable is a bird's-eye view of the entire school at work, viewed from the class dimension, the composite teacher timetable is a bird's-eye view of the entire school at work, viewed from the teacher dimension. Whereas the composite class timetable is a big-picture dashboard of entire school teaching operations viewed from the perspective of all student classes across the school. The composite teacher timetable is a big-picture dashboard of entire school operations viewed from the perspective of all teachers across the school. The composite teacher timetable is also not issued to individual teachers. It is for school management purposes and is usually posted on the school notice board. Timetables app produces composite teacher timetables for each day of the week, showing teachers that provide tuition to all student classes. This slide, for instance, shows some of the teachers that teach lessons in various classes on day 2 of the school week. The rest of the teachers are on the remaining pages of day 2. As shown in the footer of this slide, we are only looking at page 1 of 4 of this day 2 of the teacher composite timetable. The information conveyed by this slide is that on day 2 of the school week, teacher T001 starts the day with a double period of life orientation in grade 9D, has free periods before and after the school break, and concludes the day with a double period of life orientation in grade 9B. As for teacher T002, day 2 starts with a double period of a technology lesson in grade 8B, followed by another double period of the technology subject in grade 8A, then a break in period 5, followed by the last lesson for teacher T002 in day 2, which is consumer studies taught to grade 10C in period 6. After that lesson, teacher T002 has free periods for the rest of day 2 of the school week. Lessons of the rest of the teachers can similarly be explained that way. As we saw in previous sessions, teachers can supervise classes that share free periods with them, but teachers cannot supervise other teachers. As such, there are no teacher supervision timetables. Instead, there is a consolidated timetable of all free periods of all teachers in a school week. Let's take a look at it next.